Okay, I'll do a video here with the 2004 Chevy Colorado 4.8 liter V8 swap with the T56. I want to show that the AC is working here. I don't know if you'll hear it kick in. I'm just going to I'm going to press the button here with the cell phone just out by the hood. You should hear the compressor kick in. We'll see. Should have heard it click there.
You should see the center hub of the AC compressor spinning now. It's kind of hard, but
and you can see the lights are on the AC there. The swap's nice and clean, no mess anywhere. I really do like this 09 full-length intake. I really recommend that. It fits well. Just using a custom fit upper rad hose in the LS2 water pump with the pulley pulled out 3/4 of an inch and then tack welded to the shaft. And then I've got my steam vent line right there, drilled and tapped with a 90-degree barb fitting into the top of the water pump. My custom idler bracket right there. And then I cut the stock idler location right off of the alternator bracket there to clear the 88mm throttle body. And that's the Flexolite Blackmagic Extreme 180 fan. Doug Thorley long tube headers. I've got spark plug boot protectors on there. Where those are from. Yeah, it sounds good. A lot of fun. This is a stock AC compressor line from an 09 Colorado. And then this one, of course, is custom here. I got Caltrax Flowmaster Delta 40 Crossflow. LS2 cam.